Ready to transform your landscape? Begin your plan today. A well-thought-out landscape plan is essential for ensuring the proper placement of all the features you are dreaming of for your outdoor space. By planning ahead, you'll save money, prevent frustration, and guarantee the best possible results. Just like you'd hire an architect to design your home, a landscape designer is necessary to perfectly plan every aspect of your outdoor space. Whether you're in the planning stage, starting with the basic landscaping of a new build, or revitalizing an existing yard, investing in a landscape plan is the first step to success. Our collaborative design process starts with an in-yard consultation. Our lead design expert meets with you at your home to listen and understand your vision and to provide a quote for your customized plan. Next, our design team performs a thorough site analysis, taking into consideration sun conditions, soil composition, deer pressure, and your personal preferences for privacy, bloom colors, native plants, seasonal interest, and more. We'll also learn about how you envision enjoying your space, whether that is relaxing in your private pool paradise, or celebrating holidays and game days around the fire pit, and making use of your outdoor kitchen with family and friends. Your design presentation will be held at our nursery, where you'll receive not only a two-dimensional bird's eye view of your landscape plan, but also an immersive 3D video fly-through. You'll see your new landscape from every angle, day and night, long before a shovel breaks ground. We'll also take you on a plant walkthrough, where you can see and touch the plants we recommend for your space. We want to ensure you're fully satisfied with the design, so we meet again to discuss any revisions before presenting the final plan. Some HOAs and ARBs require a landscape plan before beginning construction. We can provide both landscape architecture and design services to help you effortlessly secure approval for your project. In your final meeting, you'll receive your finished design, a detailed installation quote, and we'll go over scheduling options. Then, our expert landscape team takes over to seamlessly transition your design into reality, working efficiently and with precision to bring your vision to life. For over 45 years, Brownswood has been transforming Charleston landscapes. We would be honored to create a custom outdoor space you and your family will love for years to come. Schedule your design consultation today and experience the Brownswood difference.